It's been a minute. It's been a good minute since I have done any type of try on haul type videos for YouTube, okay? And let me tell you how it's a whole mess. It's a whole mess. Like, people don't understand. Like, you really cannot be a nasty person doing try on hauls, because after you tear up your house, you're not going to clean it up. You're going to have shit everywhere. And literally, I had to take a lot of time just to do 4 looks, and this is the 4th one, and this is the one I'm keeping on for the day. Like, this is what the world's gonna get for today. I'm not giving them anything more. But I forgot, girl forgot. But anyway, hello, this is your girl, So Fashion Week TV, and the place to be, and welcome back to the channel. Your girl is on here with another video for you guys. Happy New Year, happy 2021. What are you guys doing in 2021? What are your plans? Do you have any plans? Do you make New Year's resolutions? Do you make New Year visions? What is it that you see for yourself in 2021? For me, as you know, at the close of 2020, your girl had sort of like a revelation, you know, where it kind of all started to come together for me in my mind, because usually things are a bit all over the place, but it had all started to come together for me with regards to the new lease on life that I have been given since having had revision surgery. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you've just stumbled upon this channel, my name is April. I go by So Fashion Week TV in the place to be. But yes, part of my journey on this channel involves me having revision surgery from lap band to vertical sleeve gastrectomy, or VSG sleeve. It's known as a lot of things in the weight loss surgery community, but I did have weight loss surgery performed as a revision. Now, I had that done October 3rd of 2016, and today your girl is sitting at 130.8 pounds. So my maintenance range on this journey is between 125 and 130. So I am a bit up, which is typical. When I look back over the years at the scale, I'm typically up around this time. My weight will typically go back down. By February, I'll probably be at somewhere around 125, 127. So right now I'm in a comfortable maintenance range, and I'm feeling great. Also on this journey, guys, I am living a more plant-based lifestyle, trying to go fully vegan, trying to give up that dairy, but that is a work in progress. And in 2020, when all of the things were just going on, some of which are still going on right now, I realized that for so long I had made so many sacrifices as it relates to my life. And what I want to do now, my why as of right now, is why not? And so one of the things that has been plaguing me for, I want to say, over the last 2 years, is working my 9-to-5 job. I really feel like that job is in my way. It is a blessing to my life, and I am so grateful to have that job. But what I really do desire to do is focus more on me and my entrepreneurial spirit. And so in order to do that, something must give. And so right now I'm on a journey. I'm on a road to financial freedom so that I can quit my 9-to-5 job, or fire my boss. And so, yeah, on a road to fire, and there are a number of things that I have been doing, and I will be continuing to do here on this channel, so that you guys can follow along, and hopefully I can inspire someone to do the same. So right now, you know, I know a lot of people are confined to their homes. A lot of people have lost their jobs, and they're dealing with a whole lot. And one of the things that I've seen across the weight loss surgery community is a lot of people struggling with regain due to depression, so on and so forth. And I'm here to let you guys know that it is not over for you. You are not a failure, and if you desire to get back on the wagon and get your life in order, now is the time to do it. It is January. You have a clean slate, and let nothing stop you. Let your why in 2021 be why not. So I hope that this video has helped you. I hope that it's resonated with you in some way, and I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.